Scroll through the output fields in the field map and find the switch point between the well fields and the geology fields. Hint, the case changes. Click the county code field name in the wells section of the table to select it. Then click the red X to delete it. Delete all the wells fields except state well number, aquifer code, and well depth. Use the Control key to select multiple fields and delete them together. To reset the field map in case of an error, click the blue Reset button. Delete all the geology fields except Origin label and unit name. No merge rules are needed, so do not set any merge rules. Set the match option to Within. Run the tool.